Howdy folks, and welcome to the Hillbilly Kitchen. Today we're making grilled cheese chili dogs. Now, this is more an idea than a recipe, I guess, and it's something I recently stumbled across. I saw a photo that somebody had posted on Facebook, and this would be like the ultimate cheap cookout. It's perfect for Labor Day that's coming up. That's why I decided to do it now, because I know lots of folks are going to have Labor Day get-togethers, and you're going to need some cheap ideas for your Labor Day cookout because things are getting so tight. It would also be good for all the fall festivals at church and maybe football parties, tailgating, even high school concession stands and fundraisers and stuff. If y'all are looking for some stuff for those events, this is a good idea for that. What I'm gonna do, and I have seen these where people did them, they made a grilled cheese sandwich with 2 pieces of bread and then mashed it and did the chili dog on that. I'm not doing it that way. I'm making it 1 piece of bread per hot dog, and I'm gonna leave it like an open grilled cheese sandwich. So all I did was butter 2 pieces of bread. Stale bread will work very good for this. I mean, it works well for this. This is a recipe you can use your stale bread for. So if you've got stale bread, no need to buy hot dog buns. Certainly you can cook your hot dogs on the grill. I'm just gonna throw them in my skillet here with my grilled cheese. So if you're making these in the house, it's kind of a one-pot thing. Go ahead and put your cheese on there. But what we're doing is we're actually making like half a grilled cheese sandwich. And you can use any cheese on this you'd like pepper jack, sharp cheddar, Swiss. I'm just using American. This is actually mine and Alex's lunch today. She's over here editing another video, I'm not sure which one, and we're gonna have these for lunch and sit around outside for a while and enjoy them. So all I'm gonna do is cook this just like a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna leave my bread in here until it gets brown, and I'm gonna get my hot dogs a little bit brown. Now you also have to have, of course, some chili to make a grilled cheese chili dog. You can't make a chili dog without chili. This is the hot dog chili recipe that I have up. I put it up several years ago. We used to serve this at yesteryear. I still stand behind it as being the world's best hot dog chili. It is just absolutely delicious. When we served it at yesteryear, it was the most popular weekly special that we had. We would literally have folks lined up out the door all weekend long to get these chili dogs. And we always sold out of them. Of course, if you're making it outside on the grill, you can put a griddle on your grill to grill your grilled cheeses and just throw your hot dogs right on the grill. I want to start doing a few outdoor cooking videos, but I've got to order some more equipment because Alex and I are still kind of struggling, and in order to video outside, I would have to disassemble what we have inside and then risk not getting it put back together quite right. So I'm really sort of afraid to do that, and I am going to get another camera and another microphone that I can use outside, so I can do some grilling videos and maybe even do some videos where I cook on a fire. I've done, I think, maybe 1 or 2. We had up several, but we had to take those down due to changing policies. But anyway, that's another story. How much you grill your cheese just kind of depends on what you like and what kind of cheese you use. Like I said, just depends on what you want. You might want to chop some onions to serve with these, maybe some diced up jalapenos or something like that, ketchup, mustard, whatever. I am going to link this recipe for this chili so that you have the chili recipe, And I've got this pretty meaty, but I'm just feeding me and Alex today, and I don't need to make it stretch. I'm pretty sure in that video I said if you need to make it stretch, just add a little extra thickener to add a little extra cornstarch and a little extra water, and you can make it thicker so it's not quite so meaty and it goes farther, and it's still good and nobody really notices. But since it's just the two of us today and I don't have to make it stretch, we're getting treated with some pretty good chili here, pretty meaty chili. How done you cook your hot dogs, again, just depends on you, but I'm grilling mine about like that. And I'm just going to sit this on my plate here. And like I said, this is a super quick lunch. I mean, even in the winter, if you know you got a bunch of kids over, your kids are having sleepovers or something, this is a cheap, good recipe, easy way to feed them. If you got a whole lot of kids, just takes a minute to make. And you know, you don't have to make homemade chili, just between me and you, especially for kids. They kind of tend not to care. But this is fairly inexpensive to make, and it is much better than the canned stuff. So anyway, get your hot dogs as brown as you want it. We're going to keep this kind of short and sweet. Put your hot dog on your bread and kind of mash your bread around it and make a bun. And something I like about this over just a bun is that it doesn't get soggy and fall apart from the chili. Now, it does obviously have butter on it where it was fried, so that's going to get on your hands. This might be one you'd want to eat with a fork, but you can certainly pick it up and you're not going to have to worry about your bread falling apart because it got soggy. And then just top it however you top your chili dogs. I said this is really meaty. You can add some more shredded cheese on top of here, add your onions, add a little ketchup and a little mustard, just whatever you like on chili dogs. Because we are putting this up on Labor Day, I want to say thank you to all you folks out there who are working. This is kind of your holiday. All the farmers and truck drivers, folks working in the grocery store, delivery drivers, all you people who just work every day and seem to never get a thank you. Enjoy your day. Ecclesiastes 5:12 says, "The sleep of a laboring man is sweet." Enjoy your day and enjoy your sweet sleep. Thank you so much for joining us in the Hillbilly Kitchen. If you haven't already, please don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave. Share this video with your friends and try you a grilled cheese chili dog. I promise you won't be disappointed. Until next time, remember to put God first.